Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Python. Today we are going to learn how to iterate over a list in Python. So we are going to create the list and then show you how you can iterate over the items in the list. I am going to create a list and add the item inside the list. So this is the list, my list equal to angle brackets, and this is going to create the empty list, and the append method is used to add the items to the list. So run the program and you can see inside list we have green, yellow, red and pink objects. Now I will show you how we can iterate over the items. So we can use for item in my list and print item. So this is one of the sorry for item in my list print item. It is going to iterate over all the items inside the list and then it is printing here. So this is the simplest way to iterate through the items in the list. So now we can show you how you can use the range. Number of items is length of number of items is length of my list, and we can see the number of items. Here we have 4 items. Now we are going to use the range. So we can write for I in range print my list at a specific position. Use the range to iterate over the list. Now I will show you how you can use the while loop. So while we can define a variable I equal to 0 while I is less than length of my list print my list at a specific position, and then I plus equal to 1. So it is going to increment the value of I by 1, and you can see it is printing all the items in the list. now I will show you how you can use enumerate for I and value in enumerate my list, print I the position and the value. So we can, sorry, it is I. Now we can get the, now we are getting the index and the value at that index. So these are the few ways you can use to iterate over a list in Python. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.